Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, August 14th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Some wild price swings today. We had good ranges overall, and when you look at how many times we went through them, they expanded even more. Still, the afternoon turned kind of boring, but had an excellent morning. In the bigger picture, ES, NQ, and Righty still up on the daily, although at one point this morning it looked like they were going to give back a bunch. Righty goes out with another beautiful B shape 2 out of the last 3 days. They end with an afternoon rally high in F, nice sell tail, and a 12 wide point of control. NQ goes out with an 11 wide POC, an afternoon pullback in G, and the day's high and low. They also took back another set of single prints from the first. They still have 4 left. ES goes out with a 10 wide POC, afternoon pullback in G. They have not gotten into any of their single prints from the first. SPY got into one of them and took one back. SPY ends only 9 wide as opposed to ES 10. There was some wicked price action. We went from the opening, drove down hard, A, B, C, only to go up, and after taking out the IB low, take out the IB high in E, go trend up in E, and it was a decent set of single prints. Fill them, come back down in G to go back up like this. So there's been a lot of swings for a range that was almost, what, $6, I believe we were? I'm sorry. Almost $5. That's a pretty good range throughout, and an NQ over 6. Volume horrendous. Horrendous again. Right now we're 39 million. So again, one time framing up 7 days, the volume has decreased 6 out of those 7 days. So I'm still not sure how much they're going to be able to sustain this if they don't get some more buying in here. It's not going to be easy to take back that day from August 1st. Still a lot more work to do, and you have a gap above that. Okay, you also have a gap above that in NQ, not in ES. So nail them really well because of the price movement today, early on. In A period, in NQ, let's make this a little bigger. In A period, when it pulled back, I missed getting the overnight high. I missed that. But it pulled back against the base of the price probe, H's high, did really well on that. And then again, when it pulled back close to the afternoon pullback low from yesterday. So 2 very nice trades in A on the long side. Then in B period, I took the short to get A's low. Now, I didn't get it, but I still made 10 points and went back up. I did not get it when it finally did it. But I still had a nice short. Then I took a short in ES against the base of the price probe when it went back up to it, and it came in, got 4 points out of it. Because I didn't know if we were going to stay above or below it. And since we had gotten one-time framing and we gotten the overnight low, I figured it would be a decent short. It worked out for 4. By the way, we got both overnights. Both IBs again, okay? It's becoming a regular thing here in both ES and NQ. Then in C period, I took the short in NQ to get the IB low, and then with some nice ebb and flow trades on pushes up. F period. Well, before I get to F, I missed G. I'm sorry, no, let's do F first. I bought F, thought it would be the pullback. Made 10 points on that one. I missed G. I got a little picky. Now, value changed now at the end of the day because we went higher, pulled value low up. Value low is a bit lower. I was looking for it to go a little bit lower against both value low and the overnight. So I got picky there and didn't get it. And then in J period, I did take the long in ES as we got close to the half back to go back to the POC. So it was a good day. I mean, in ES, only 8 points in ES, but I banged them really good in NQ for What did I do? About 140 something points. So very happy with that. So good day overall. We saw the market well. We've been seeing it well. Just try to be consistent seeing it and keep your eye on the ball. As far as destinations go, today's high is 87.75 in ES. The POC is at 69 and a quarter, 10 wide. Pullback is 55.75 and today's low is 38.75. In SPY, today's high is 544.96. The POC is at 542.92. The pullback is 541.80 and today's low is 540.12. And then let's check out the chart. Now we have over half a month to go, but that's an impressive push off the lows. Now, if they continue to do that, it's going to be one hell of a nice candle. But we still have half a month, so who knows? Especially if these buyers don't pick up any more longs and they decide to roll over. But for now, it's balance. How big is the balance? If we didn't make new lows this month, I would probably call it a 3-month balance. Okay? I'd probably say June, July, and August. But again, we still have half a month to go. It's balanced. The weekly is balanced. Right now, it's a 3-week balance, the last 3 weeks. But we still have 2 days to go. If we go above that week, it might get bigger. If we roll over and take out, it might get bigger to the day. Well, it wouldn't be. This is the monthly, weekly, the balance low so far. So it's 3-week balance for now. And the daily keeps chugging along. Look at this. 7 days. 7 days. We closed right below the 50 in the SPY, above the 20. This day here is the last thing they need to really take back. If they're able to do that, at some point, maybe they start going for all-time highs again. Question is, will they do that before this runs out of steam? You want to see volume increasing, not decreasing. That's the one worry I have. I hope you had a good day trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.